a heart of stone. The walls are cold and scarred, where the phantom shadow figures are. Down by the gates there sing a lark. She comes at the break of dawn. The rays fall on her dress. You know she used to be a silhouette deep in the heart of stone. And every day she comes to say, look up, look at the dawn. Yes, I escaped the shadows once I listened to his song. But they say, look how she goes. She gave herself away, her crown, her throne. Like a fool, like a renegade. Now wait.